chicken shawarma on homemade naan. To the ingredients. Add in 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Just shove them in there. They'll all fit. See? 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Coriander, sweet paprika, turmeric, and cumin. And ground oregano. Pinch of cayenne pepper. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give your chicken a toss. Get everybody coated in all that seasoning. Now cook your chicken on high for 5 hours or on low for 7. Get out a mixing bowl. We're going to make our garlic sauce. That's 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, teaspoon of lemon juice, dried dill, a little salt, a little pepper. Mix it up and then put it in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it. Go get another mixing bowl. Now we got to make the naan, the flatbread for our wraps. That's 3/4 cups of warm water, like 105 to 110 degrees. 2 1/4 teaspoons of active yeast. And 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Give it a mix, and then you're going to let this sit 5-10 minutes till it's all frothy. When she's all swelled up and frothy, add in 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And give this a mix until it is all combined. 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. And get out your stand mixer. We're not mixing this by hand. Attach your hook, and you're going to mix this until a dough forms. Well, you got to plug it in. Mix it until the dough forms. Now you got to knead it for 8 to 10 minutes or until the dough is no longer tacky. Knead away. Grease a bowl, stick your dough in it, give it a flip. Then you cover this with some plastic wrap, stick it somewhere warm, and let it rise till it's doubled in size, like an hour. When your chicken is tender, grab 2 forks and shred it. And then give it a good mix in all that juice. Just like that. Woo, she's a big girl. Now you're going to punch your dough gently. Now divide her into 8 equal pieces. And then roll each piece into a ball. Now you're going to cover with a towel and you're going to let these rise 10 minutes. Cucumbers, pickles, tomatoes, and red onion. No lettuce. You'll know why. Roll all your balls into 1/4-inch ovals, and no, they don't have to be perfect. To a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, add it, and you're going to cook it 1 to 2 minutes, and when it starts to bubble, we're going to flip it. When she's bubbling, flip her, and cook that side 1 to 2 minutes. Now we plate naan, the chicken, drizzle of the garlic sauce, and your vegetables. Now roll it up. Just like that. Y'all better get some gloves. This sucker's messy. Go on ahead and make your shawarma, baby. So good.